Ahoy, matey! Captain Connie here, and I'm here with a surprise for you. This week at the Danville Public Library, we're going to celebrate Talk Like a Pirate. And that's right, you can talk like a pirate because guess what? Everything you need is here. This is your pirate craft kit for this week. And guess what I have in it? Talk like a pirate. And there's one more thing. What's your pirate name? Well, what's your pirate name? You use the first letter of your name and then you figure it out from there. You get a pirate name and you can talk like a pirate. So, if you're going to talk like a pirate, you need to look like a pirate. And guess what? This week, we got it for you. Here's your pirate hat. Ta-da! You're going to look fantastic. Now, I'm not actually going to decorate this because the truth is, I want you to do your own. And I don't want to take this one because somebody might need this. But what you'll do is you have stickers. Ahoy. Arr, all kinds of pictures. Oh, fantastic. And then look, a ship, a treasure chest. Oh, a mighty pirate bird. So what? Oh, my goodness, I forgot. Letters, shapes. You can put your name on your hat. So when you're finished, this hat will be yours, designed by you, created by you, and you will be looking like a pirate. And everything you need is in this kit that you'll get this week. Oh, I almost forgot, gems. These are gemstones to put on your pirate hat and decorate it up. You are going to make a fantastic pirate. Ahoy, matey. Don't forget to pick up your pirate stuff.